YouTube? Your boy Richie Barber, aka Faded Blends, coming at you with another video. Shout out to Supremetrimmer again, sending me out another package to do another review on. I'm gonna touch some base that I didn't touch on in the last video. I did one on this tool. So without further ado, all right, y'all. I'm not sure which one this one is. One says the old gold one, but boom. All right, y'all. So same box as last time. Oh snap! Barber suggested, Barber preferred. That's super dope. I don't think I seen that on the last box, but let's open it up. All right, same plastic thing. Bag. Oh, this is the all gold one. Right, I'm gonna put that down right there. That's super clean. It's cool that they put a little spacer there so it doesn't turn on while it's shipping and stuff like that. Super clean. I like this. So, like I said, I'm gonna touch on some things that I didn't touch on last time in the other video. They do sell them on Amazon, and I believe Walmart got them too. So for a professional barber trimmer being sold at Walmart, let's see how they do. But it says here, lithium ion battery, up to 90 minutes of cordless use, fully charges in 90 minutes. Easily clean blade. Clean trimmer head with warm water after use, brush and oil trimmer. Head between cuts. I wouldn't do the oil. I would suggest getting you some blade wash and this all in one care. Don't do water. It's not good for the trimmers. The trimmers do rust. My professional barber opinion. But shout out that you could do that. Battery indicator signals when battery is full, low, or charged. Worldwide voltage, take your trimmer with you anywhere in the world with your USB charger. So that's why they give you the USB charge on top of the wall plug. So you can, just take this and you're able to convert it to UK and wherever else there's usually a different adapter than America. This is super dope. Shout out Supreme. As usual, the 3mm, the 2mm, the 1mm, and the blade hair guard, the blade cover, the bag, cleaner brush, oil, dock and trimmer, USB charger, and wall charger. It says here, right here, steel blades, overhanging design, professional motor up to 7,000 RPM, rechargeable battery, 90-minute runtime, 600 mAh. Charging indicator turns green when fully charged. So, again, shout out Supremetrimmer. Super dope color scheme. Can't wait to see what other ones y'all drop. Again, I'll post a link below to how you can reach them or get your own. They told me you can now get it at Amazon and at Walmart, and they on sale. So just go to those places. Go to Supremetrimmer. Supremetrimmer.com, Walmart, Amazon, wherever, man. They got it for you, man. And again, $40, y'all. $40. And honestly, I love them for balding. Like, I love them for when. So, let me know what y'all want to see next. This one's going to be a short one. It's super hot where I live right now. And I cut out of my garage. It's super duper hot. But end of the day, man, Supremetrimmer.com, Amazon.com, Walmart.com. Type in Supreme Trimmer in the search engine. Or just go to Google and type in Supreme Trimmer. Everywhere that has it will have it. Their Instagram will show up. You can follow them on there. They got mad followers, mad views, mad videos on these trimmers. And, like, yeah, I mean, y'all seen the other ones I had. These all gold ones don't look too bad. They got a nice little shine to them. But, and, I mean, quiet. Still sounds the same when you take the plastic thing off. The blade cover. There it goes. Rate, comment, subscribe. Let your boy know what you want to see. Hit that post notification bell so you can be part of the team and know when I post my videos.